If you're a software exec looking to launch your integrated payment processing services, there are a bunch of key things to think about. A rockin' go-to-market strategy is super important for getting your payment services out there. So let's dive into the main ingredients for cooking up a plan that brings in the dough and keeps your customers smiling. Number one, crafting a killer value proposition. First up, you gotta show why your integrated payment service is the bee's knees compared to the rest. Make it clear why your customers will love it more than a non-integrated payment service. You could focus on the time-saving aspect, the easy reconciliation of transactions and invoices, or reducing the risk of errors and manual processes. Number two is telling a winning sales story. You need a sales story that hooks people in, shows off your integrated payment service, makes your core services even better. Mention seamless and secure payment processing, easy peasy onboarding, and the extra awesomeness it brings to your product lineup. Don't forget to point out the cost savings compared to other payment services in a non-integrated environment. Number three is pulling the right levers. There are loads of ways to get customers on board, like offering sweet deals, delivering top-notch customer support, and putting together creative pricing bundles with your premium features and products. Make signing up a breeze to reduce friction and get customers using your integrated payment service in no time. Remember, your existing customers trust you and are already primed to love what you're offering. Leverage that. Number four, keeping it simple and smooth. Your integrated payments service should feel like a natural extension of your full software offering. Make it a seamless part of the platform directly into the user interface. Offer handy payment options and tools like recurring payments, tokenization, chargeback management, and fraud protection to keep your customers hooked in and boost your revenue. Number five is nailing your sales and support strategy. A solid sales and support strategy is key for getting customers to adopt your integrated payment service. Figure out who's doing what between you and your payment processing partner. Set up onboarding and lead management processes and make sure you're tracking your successes. Work closely with your payment processing partner and be ready to adapt as you learn what works best for you. Number six, make awesome marketing materials. Spread the word with some killer marketing assets. Think email campaigns, webinars, and videos that show off the awesomeness of your embedded payment services and how they ultimately enhance and complement your main offering. Number seven is keeping your sales team motivated and focused. To really make a splash with your integrated payment processing services, it's crucial to get your sales team stoked and laser focused. Here's how to make that happen. Knowledge is power. Make sure they fully grasp the value proposition and can confidently explain why your integrated service is a game changer for customers. Train for success. Provide them with the right training and tools to sell effectively. They should be able to answer questions, address concerns, and communicate the benefits clearly. Leverage your payment processor to help you with the resources and the education to do so. Incentivize like a boss. Salespeople love a good incentive, so reward their efforts in selling their services through commissions, bonuses, or other creative perks. The more motivated they are, the better they'll perform for you. Align goals and ambitions. Get everyone on the same page regarding the company's payment objectives. The sales team should understand how their performance in selling integrated services impacts overall success and profitability of the business. Drive the right sales behavior. Put mechanisms in place that encourage your salespeople to focus on maximizing conversion and profitability. With the right incentives and levers, they'll be more likely to include the integrated payment services into their sales pitch and processes. Last, avoid missed opportunities. If your sales team isn't motivated, they might gloss over the integrated payment services when selling your software's core offering. Make sure they understand the importance of pitching these services to avoid leaving money on the table. So in conclusion, whipping up a killer go-to-market strategy for your payment processing services is a bit of a juggling act. But by honing your value proposition, your sales story, and your marketing game, you'll be on the right track. Keep the sign-up process smooth, pull the right levers, and have a solid sales and support strategy in place. With a well-executed plan, You'll set your software company apart from the competition and enjoy long-term growth and success. So get out there and make it happen. For more tips, ideas, and strategies to help you max out your embedded payment strategy, swing by next.io.